emergency? My ex-boyfriend is trying to break into my house. I'm not letting him in, but he's, tried to break down the door, and he's trying to break into one of the windows. He put me in the hospital a few weeks ago, and I've been trying to keep him away.
August 18, 2012, 4:58:38 a.m.
Oregon State Police, this is Ray.
Hi, Ray. This is Dina, Joe County 911. I have a caller that is at, and she says that her boyfriend is at her door trying to break in.
Okay.
My ex-boyfriend has been violent. She's been violent with me in the past, Michael Bella. I told him I was going to call. He's now trying to break in through the window. He's trying to jimmy it open.
Okay. Do you have anybody else in the house with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is...
Okay. And what's your callback number? Does he live there?
No, he does not.
Are you still there?
Yes.
Okay. I don't have anybody to send out there.
Okay.
Obviously if he comes inside the residence and assaults you, can you ask him to go away, or do you know if he's intoxicated or anything?
I've already asked him. I've already told him I was calling you. He's broken before, busted down my door, assaulted me. Yeah, so...
Is there any way you can safely leave the residence?
No, I can't, because he's blocking pretty much my only way out.
With a vehicle, or?
With the vehicle and with himself on my front door also.
Okay, is there anybody that you can call to come over and help you, or do you have any friends?
He has sat there and destroyed my phone that had all of my contacts in it, because I had neighbors, because he's done this. I can't get a hold of my neighbors. I don't know what the phone numbers are. I just had to get a new phone.
Okay. Well, the only thing I can do is give you some advice and call the sheriff's office tomorrow. Obviously, if he comes in and unfortunately has a weapon or is trying to cause you physical harm, that's a different story. The sheriff's office doesn't work up there. I don't have anybody to send.
Okay.
And we don't dispatch for him. Like I said, it's an unfortunate situation.
Okay, then I'll have to take care of myself, I guess.
Well, you have every right to do that. I can't tell you what to do, but is he still there?
Yes, he is.
Okay. All right. Well, do you want to stay on the phone with me until we figure out what he might do, or can you ask him to leave?
I asked him to leave a million times.
Okay, but he does not live there with you. Is that what you're saying?
He does not.
Okay. Has he lived there previously?
No.
Okay. Where is he now?
He's now outside my bedroom window trying to take off trying to get through that window.
Does he know that you're on the phone?
I don't know. If I can hear him screaming and yelling, I think he can hear me on the phone. I told him I was going to.
Okay.
He says he doesn't care. He doesn't care because he knows that no one's out here, and so...
Yeah, and like I said, it's definitely unfortunate. What's your street address again? I lost the information. Okay. All right. And what's his name?
Michael Bella.
B-E-L-L-A?
B-E-L-L-A-H.
And how old is he?
He's 29.
Is he a white male?
Yes.
How tall? How much does he weigh?
5'5" or 5'6", like 125 right now.
Okay. And what kind of vehicle does he have?
What is he driving right now? He has a white Toyota Tacoma.
Do you know if there's anybody with him?
Oh, no, there's no one with him.
And is the pickup truck in your driveway?
It is.
When did you guys break up?
We have broken up 5 billion times, and he put me in the hospital a few weeks ago, and I've been trying to keep him away.
Do you have a restraining order?
I do not, because he would leave me alone until basically on the weekends, and then he starts this crap again.
Okay. Give me your phone number one more time. Okay, where is he now?
He's walking around the house just beating on it with I don't know what. He knows I have to work and I'm the person who opens the whole building and everything, and that's why he's here blocking me in, so I can't get out, because he thinks eventually I'll come outside.
Okay. You really need to see if you can get a restraining order against him. You have to contact the court, because...
I will. He's already told me he won't let himself be served, and it's like there's just this big joke with him.
So you haven't seen any weapons on him or anything?
There's not tonight, no.
Okay. Does he usually have weapons, or?
Not a gun or anything. Just he just likes to use when he hits on stuff like tools or whatever.
Okay. Is he still there? Do you think he's left?
Yeah. No, he's still there. He's still out there screaming and yelling, cussing out. He broke into my house before I got home. I came there and he had torn a bunch of stuff up and everything, but he wasn't here anymore. So I went ahead and stayed. I didn't see him.
Okay. Well, like I said, it's unfortunate. I just don't have anybody else to send out there.
Okay.
You want to stay on the phone, or what do you?
No, I'm going to find a way to deal with him.
Okay. Call 911 if he actually gets in the house. I don't know if you want to go out and confront him. It's totally up to you. It's like I said, once again, it's unfortunate that you guys don't have any law enforcement up there.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if he gets in the house. I'm done. That's what happened before. He put my phone to a wall, busted it to pieces. Took my house phone, busted it to pieces. I couldn't call 911 before.
Can you hide in the house, or get out the back door, or go anywhere? You don't have any. You don't have anywhere to go.
No. I mean, it doesn't matter if I hide. He'll find me, and then I'll just be more mad.
Okay. You do need to seek some kind of assistance as far as the restraining order goes. We talked about that.
Yeah.
I just don't have anybody to send out there. You can call the sheriff's office later and let them know what he's doing. I don't mind staying on the phone with you. I just don't know.
Okay. I'm going to go up to whenever he's trying to get in while you're on the phone with me.
Okay.
So that I can tell him. Michael, I'm on the phone with state police. You need to go away. Michael, go away. Are you going to leave? Michael, are you going to leave? Yeah. This isn't going to do anything. He doesn't care.
Yeah, I can hear him in the background.
Yeah, do you hear him beating on the door?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm taking stuff out of my car. I don't care. I don't care. He's already broken into my house and stolen my jewelry and everything. As long as he just leaves, I don't really care what he takes. But
do you think he's leaving now?
No, he's out tearing my car apart right now. I just opened up the trunk and he's taking out the sound system.
Wasn't your car locked?
No.
Was your car locked?
No, it wasn't. Nope, he's just forcing it out. Now he's beating the crap out of my car.
Okay, well, I mean.
Okay, yeah, I'll get a restraining order on Monday. It's not going to do any good, but I'll do it.
Okay.
At least I have something, even if it doesn't get served.
All right, and don't forget to call the sheriff's office and let them know so you can turn it in, and maybe they can go arrest him. I don't know, but it's gonna be tonight.
He has a warrant out for his arrest, from my knowledge. But I've been told that I've heard he already has a warrant. He won't allow himself to be found.
What's his date of birth?
July 11th, 1983.
Okay. All right. Well, notify your sheriff's department.
I will.
Okay.
Okay, and so you have this on record, though, that
yes.
I did call? Okay.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.